Hello everybody, now we are going to discuss about Luhn, Heap, and Ziph's law. Firstly, what are the theories Luhn, Heap, and Ziph entail? Suppose we have a function if b is a function of values or features, and the contents of values of if b is x1, x2, x3, and until xn, where x is equal to term. Now we come to Luhn law. The words that occur in many descriptions of an event or content, and then some words will occur much more frequently than others. Some of the frequent words such as and, or, the will be common in the description of any event, but others will be characteristic of that particular event. This was observed as early as 1958 by Luhn, when he proposed that the significance of a word depended on its frequency in the document. Heap's law. In linguistics, Heap's law is an empirical law which describes the number of distinct words in a document or set of documents as a function of the document length, so called type-token relation. It can be formulated as V or N equal to K in power of B, beta, where VR is the number of distinct words as an instance text of size n. K and B are three parameters determined empirically. With English text corpora, typically K is between 10 and 100 and B is between 0.4 and 0.6. This law. This law states that given some corpus of natural language references, the frequency of any word is inversely proportion to its rank in the frequency table. Thus the most frequent word will occur approximately twice as often the second most frequent word, three times as often as the third most frequent word, etc. The next question is proof mathematically Luhn, Heap, and Ziph law. First, Luhn. Significance of a word depends on its frequency in the document. It means that the frequency of a the frequency of a word is high means that the importance of word is high. When the frequency of a word is low, it means the importance of a word is low as well. Now Heaps. As we mentioned already in the above part that V or N equal to K in power of B that we mentioned already and explained around this formula. Now Ziph. R times frequency R equal to A times N. So what's R? Frequency R. The number of times the word at rank or appears in the collection, and N equal to number of words in the collection, not number of unit words. So definition based on formula. Luhn, significance of a word depends on its frequency in the document. If the number of distinct words in the vocabulary equals to K. K is a free parameter. The value is between 10 and 100. Times take size in power of B. B is also a free parameter. The value is between 0.4 and 0.6. This law is a law about the frequency distribution words in a large or in a collection that is large enough so that it is representative of the language. To illustrate this law, let us suppose we have a collection and let there be 3 unit words in the collection, the library. And this is the end.